Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Newsfeed Career Plus. So, let's start our current affairs of December 4th, 2021. On this day, we celebrate Indian Navy Day. Indian Navy Day is celebrated on December 4th every year. Coming to the first question, which of the following country recently joined the G20 Troika? And the options are A. Italy, B. Indonesia, C. India, D. Afghanistan. And the correct answer is C. India. India recently joined the G20 Troika. Current presidency is Indonesia, previous presidency is Italy, and incoming presidency is India. Troika means a group of three people working together. Troika is a English word. Troika of G20 is made of the current, next, immediate past, post countries. Coming to the second question, according to top 50 most powerful women in the India in 2021 list released by Fortune India, who among the following topped the list? And the options are A. Nirmala Sitharaman, B. Neeta Ambani, C. Soumya Swaminathan, D. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. And the correct answer is A. Nirmala Sitharaman. Fortune India released a list of its top 50 most powerful women in the India in 2021. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman topped in the most powerful women in India list. Neeta Ambani ranks second in the most powerful women in India list. Soumya Swaminathan ranks third. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw ranks fourth. Suchitra Ella ranks fifth. Arundhati Bhattacharya ranks sixth. Geeta Gopinath ranks seventh. Tessie Thomas ranks 8th in the most powerful women in India list. Coming to the third question, who among the following wins Golden Pen of Freedom Journalism Award for 2021? And the options are A. Vikram Bhattacharya, B. Jimmy Lai, C. Vibha Chakraborty, D. Sheikh Abha. And the correct answer is B. Jimmy Lai. Jimmy Lai wins Golden Pen of Freedom Journalism Award for 2021. Jimmy Lai is the founder of Hong Kong-based publisher Apple Daily. The Hong Kong authorities in June freezed the company's assets. Jimmy Lai had already been in jail for more than 7 months. The Golden Pen of Freedom 2020 winner Jeanette Bedoya Lima. The Golden Pen of Freedom Award is established in 1961 by Van Efra. Awarded by World Association of Newspapers and News Publishers. World Association of Newspapers and News Publishers founded in 1948. World Association of Newspapers and News Publishers, headquartered in Frankfurt. Coming to the fourth question, who among the following wins World Athletics Woman of the Year award? And the options are A. Serena Williams, B. PV Sindhu, C. Mirabai Chanu, D. Anju Bobby. And the correct answer is D. Anju Bobby. Anju Bobby George wins World Athletics Woman of the Year award. In 2016, Anju Bobby George opened a training academy for young girls, which has already helped to produce a world under-20 medalist, Shailene. She has won the bronze medal in long jump at 2003 World Championships in Athletics, Paris. First Indian athlete ever to win a medal in a World Championships in Athletics. She was awarded the Arjuna Award in 2002, Khel Ratna in 2003, and Padma Shri in 2004. Anju won the BBC Lifetime Achievement Award for Best Athlete in India 2021. Elaine Thompson Hera of Jamaica named the Female World Athlete of the Year. Karsten Warholm of Norway named the Male World Athlete of the Year. Coming to the fifth question, who among the following becomes world's first airline to fly on 100% sustainable fuel? And the options are A. Korean Airlines, B. Kingfisher Airlines, C. Indigo Airlines, D. United Airlines. And the correct answer is D. United Airlines. United becomes world's first airline to fly on 100% sustainable fuels. The flight operated from Chicago's O'Hare Airport to Washington Boeing 737. Sustainable aviation fuels are jet fuels created from waste products. The fuel was supplied by World Energy, North America's only commercial biofuel producer. Coming to the sixth question, who among the following elected chairman of the Asian Federation of Advertising Associations? And the options are A. Srinivasan Swamy, B. Krishna Rao M, C. Satyanarayana Murthy, D. Kishan Kumar. And the correct answer is A. Srinivasan Swamy. Srinivasan Swamy elected chairman of the Asian Federation of Advertising Associations, AFFA. AFFA at its general body meeting held on 1st December 2021 elected Srinivasan Swamy as its chairman for a term for 4 years. He had been chairman and world president of the International Advertising Association, chairman Confederation of Asian Advertising Agency Associations, CAAA. India gave AFAA to Distinguished chairman in the past Gautam Rakshit and Pradeep Guha. Coming to the one-liners today, Sambit Patra, appointed chairman of Indian Tourism Development Corporation. GKV Rao of IAS 1990 batch will hold the position of Managing Director of ITDC. Vikas Kumar, appointed as Delhi Metro Rail Corporation's Director of Operations. Lionel Messi won the Ballon d'Or award for a record-extending 7th time. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe.